इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि विनोद चोपड़ा मेरे भाई से भी बढ़ के हैं। उन्होंने जो इज्जत हमारी फैमिली को दी है, बहुत कम लोग ऐसा इज्जत देते हैं। और मैं ये समझता हूँ कि उनकी प्रोडक्शन मेरी प्रोडक्शन है और उन्होंने मुझे मुन्ना भाई दिया है, इससे बढ़ के और कोई चीज़ नहीं हो सकती।
भारतीय I'm very excited about this festival because I think all of us, or at least some of us, grew up in a time where there used to be re-releases of old films, and I've seen some great cinema in re-releases, and now it's all stopped. Now you end up seeing it on television, on DVDs, or even on mobile phones, on the net. So, but I still feel when you watch these films are meant for big screen. When you watch the same films which you watch on TV or DVDs on a big screen, they have a completely different impact on you.
I really wish him well because he's one of the finest directors we have, and I was fortunate enough to work with him. And during 1942 we had the greatest of team, you know, Ardida, Renu, who are not with us today, Renu Saluja and Ardida. But I think we've done some fabulous work. I have the greatest of memories, fun memories, and but I'm looking forward for the film and the retrospective and meeting with the whole cast and the crew. It'll be fun.
Completely honored to be a part of this. In my opinion, very important and probably the most successful production house of our recent times. The body of work that they have been producing over the past 20 years is evidence of the fact that they do what they do and they do it very well. I've been fortunate to be part of this production house by virtue of the film Three Idiots, and now once again honored now, especially honored to be a part of Ferrari Ki Sawari, and one is very happy and excited. साथ संजय दत्त साहब के साथ मैं गया था, उन्होंने अपनी फरारी में मुझे चक्कर लगाया, मैं गाड़ी को देखा, परखा और बहुत मजा आया उनके साथ वक्त बिताने में।
हर एक फिल्म जो है उसमें लोगों के लिए सबक भी था और एंटरटेनमेंट भी था। इसने अपना नाम न सिर्फ अपने देश में ऊपर चढ़ाया है बल्कि सारी दुनिया में वो इसको जानते हैं, और मुन्ना भाई ने तो कमाल कर
plenty of them actually, starting from Khamosh to Murder at Monkey Hill to Parinda to 1942 A Love Story, goes on. Special work and really truly honored as an actor to be a part of this prestigious production.
क्या चीजें उन्हें बिल्कुल डिफरेंट करती हैं बाकी डायरेक्टर्स से?
Well,